Hi! In front of me is Samsung Tab Active 3 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access notifications. Following that, click on App Notifications at the top and select All. Now just click on the best option for you. I will go with most frequent. Lastly, tap on the blue switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. You can turn them back on by hitting the same now gray switcher. If you wish to, you can also just tap on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!